Even in my wildest dream, I owe no apologies to anybody. Even the state judiciary. Let me not generalize, but it's a place to watch. A state where judgments of the Court of Appeal are retried at the lower court, the High Court. Is it not an abnormality? Judgment of Supreme Court is interpreted differently and is a cause of action in a lower court as High Court. Is that not a misnomer? And the reason they are doing that is not as if they do not know what the backlash will be. But the reason they are doing that is that they have become a supermarket where the governor can go and buy judgment and order. A federal high court gives a judgment, a high court, state high court, is in appeal, or they appeal the judgment of federal high court. This last court I went, I just found out, I was told the hierarchy of courts. And I said, you know that state high courts are number 5. The judge sitting down, he was lecturing a lawyer. That man is very sound. At least I've sat down there 3 times and it's sound. He told us that the first in hierarchy is Supreme Court. Second, Court of Appeal. Third, Industrial Court. People, you know about Industrial Court? Yes. I'm talking about the hierarchy of courts. 4, the Federal High Court. Before the State High Courts. Okay? So that is how it is. But the Supreme Court gives an order or makes a judgment. You are aware that Supreme Court said no other nomenclature apart from the elected, blah, blah, blah. You are aware that in River State, that's what they call the caretaker. And people rampaging and ravaging the entire state in the name of caretaker. And they have subjected that decision of Supreme Court to trial at the lower court. I know that when the Court of Appeal talked about status quo, antebellum. Go back to where we started before the war. Are you not aware that they said another court, led by I think C.N. Wale, upturned the Court of Appeal judgment, High Court? So I have reasoned, and I asked myself, I asked them, or you, some of you, ask them what will happen if I refuse to apologize. Please tell them I have said I will never, even if they try to pierce a sword down this side of my throat, that I did nothing wrong and I will apologize to nobody. Thank you.